Hi, welcome back to Kalike with yet another interesting numerical on free fall. So here you have a scenario. Imagine you have uh, thrown a ball vertically upwards standing on top of a building. So this is a multi-story building. You project the ball from the point A standing on top of the building. It reaches a height of about 20 meters and the height of the building from the ground is 25 meter. So totally, the height from the ground to where the ball reaches its maximum height is 45 meter. And if you are asked to calculate what was the total time taken by the ball before it hits the ground, how do you calculate the time? Interestingly, you'll have to break this numerical into two very interesting pieces and you get to use two different equations of motion. So one of them is, let's split the problem into two things. First thing, you are projecting the ball from this point to this point. Imagine, you projected it with initial velocity of 20 meter per second. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. So imagine you projected it with a velocity of 20 meter per second. So when it reaches its highest point, obviously, so when you throw the chalk, if I throw the chalk, imagine this is being projected, you are throwing it at a speed of or a velocity in the upward direction of 20 meter per second. It reaches the highest point B and comes down. There you see that it did halt for a moment, so the final velocity becomes 0. So now this distance, it takes some certain time to travel this distance, 20 meters. I'm calling this time taken as T1. Let's calculate T1. So you do not know T1, you know V0, which was 20 meter per second. You know V, which is 0, right? And you know it is under free fall. So it is moving in the upward direction and gravity is in the downward direction. Hence, acceleration will be minus G by convention, because motion is in the upward direction whereas gravity is pulling it down in the downward direction. They are in two opposite directions. So therefore, by convention, A will be minus G, which will be minus 10. So what is the formula that you can use which will use all of this? So best formula is V is equal to V naught plus AT. Here we will replace A by minus G. So V will be V naught minus G T. T will be replaced by T1 because I'm calling the time as T1. So V will be 0, V naught is 20, minus 10 into T1. So minus 10 T1, if comes on this side, you are left with 20. So T1 will be 20 divided by 10, which is nothing but 2 seconds. So you basically take 2 seconds to reach that height.